Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage the automatic door opening function in Miele Dishwasher. So, in the first step we have to turn off the appliance. Then, hold the express button, then turn on your appliance. Hold the express button for 4 seconds. Now we're in the settings mode. Then, we have to click on the V button 7 times. As you can see, there had a P0, that means the automatic door opening function is turned off. If you want to change this value, click on the express button once. As you can see, there had a P1, now it's turned on, this function is activated. Now just turn off your appliance to save the settings. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.